Some 1 million out-of-school youths aged 15 to 30 are the targets of the Abot Alam program of the Department of Education. The full story from Ara Perez.
As the saying goes, knowledge is power. Filipinos should always be reminded of the importance of education towards a better future. Although it is a sad truth that in the country, education is a privilege rather than a right, the administration, particularly the Department of Education, has been organizing programs to give Filipinos the opportunity to study, especially those aged 15 to 30, which have yet to study or have been forced to quit their studies because of other responsibilities or of poverty. The Abot Alam program is DepEd's strategy to reach out to the out-of-school youth who still want to study, notwithstanding their age.
Pero itong Abot Alam ay para doon sa mga napag-iwanan noong nakalipas na dekada.
Different government agencies and private sectors signed a memorandum of understanding to signify the strong implementation of Abot Alam in the country. DepEd has a target of 1 million out-of-school youth Abot Alam enrollees who would also experience DepEd's alternative system.
Itong Abot Alam, ang gagamitin niya yung mga existing programs. So halimbawa, may programa yung DOLE, may programa yung DSWD, may budget na talaga yan. Ang hihilingin lang namin sa kanila ay ito sa mga out-of-school youth.
Residents of Nagcarlan, Laguna, said that the Abot Alam program is of great help to halt the deception of politicians, especially because of the prevalence of vote buying during elections in the province.
Kung sila ay makapag-aral at magkaroon ng trabaho, they will not be, used by politicians for vote buying na.
Each out-of-school youth has a 2,000 peso budget, which could possibly increase through the help of various sectors. Also, 13,000 teachers, dubbed as mobile teachers, might be hired through the program. For registration and further information, visit www.abotalam.com or your respective barangay halls. DepEd said that the path towards enlightenment is never far-fetched, so as long as we go through it hand in hand.
Kapag nagpalista ka, magkakaroon ka ng learner reference number. Yung learner reference number, matutulungan ka hindi lamang ng DepEd, pati ng ibang mga ahensya ng gobyerno para makaangat ka at magkaroon ng oportunidad para sa iba't ibang uri ng pangangailangan mo. Halimbawa,